Hey guys, opening day technically was a couple days ago, but it's opening day at the campground for us. So we are heading up, and hopefully the RV made it through the winter. We'll find out. But next up, Leo's in Clio. Hey guys, so we've been up here now for quite a few hours. We ran into town, already did our grocery shopping, hit some fairly heavy rain on the way up. Trying to set up the RV in the rain, that's always fun, right? And now it's sunny, it's warm. Van's unpacked. RV, we had a couple of mishaps over the winter. Nothing new there. Next part now is to go into the shed, which is fine. Get the golf cart going, and so I can get that out of there and put the stuff that needs to go in the shed back in the shed. So, yay! You got Piper. It is really windy. So you can see everything's there, and there's Miss Betsy. Hey guys, we just finished lunch here at Frankies. Awesome. So if you're coming for the to the meetup, add this place to your one of your stopping places, because food's great. We'll get off here before I get a copyright. Talk to you soon. Well, good morning and happy Easter from Lake of Dreams. We're heading home early today because we need to be in Royal Oak for Easter dinner. So it is now almost 10 a.m. with traffic and everything. I think we'll get down there just in time, and next week we'll be back up here and do some more stuff. We had some water issues in the slide out, which was expected. Other than that, not too many other... Sorry, people are texting me right now. Other than that, it wasn't too bad. When we got up here, it was 70. Yesterday was 50 and kind of cloudy. Today is cold. It was only 35 last night, but the sun's out. That's all we can ask for on an Easter Sunday, right? So anyway, got to throw some stuff in the van, and we're heading home. So yeah, that'll do it for opening weekend here at the LOD. Until next time, happy trails.